Hi everyone, it's Gail coming to you for the very first time from my temporary garage craft room. I hope the acoustics are okay, but you know, it is what it is for the duration. But I have a little time to do a video, and then the electrician is coming for the downstairs, so we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. But for now, I'm happy here. I mean, I can do my thing. I just have to find stuff. But this video, I do not have to find stuff because this is my birthday present from Joey Cardmaker. So hi and hugs to you, Joey. Thank you so much. You're just amazing. So Joey had a new freebie, I think, on Ko-fi that he released at the 1st of August. So I got this package a little while ago, but I waited until after he had shown his digital. So I think I know what this is, and I'm so excited. But we'll see in just a second. First of all, let's look at this card that Joey did. Now, my camera's in kind of a different spot, so I gotta stand up and just see. Also, my chair is rolling on cement instead of carpet, so if it goes shooting out from under me, I'm sure you'll know. So look at this beautiful cover. Those are Joey's digitals. I recognize all of those. But look at his stitching. So he did like a big zigzag and then a smaller, teeny weeny little zigzag. Isn't that gorgeous? It's gorgeous. Yeah. So that's the card. That's the card. And there's a letter too, but that would be to me. Thank you, Joey. Okay, let's open this up and see what we have. Beautiful ribbon. Oh my gosh, I feel like that needs to go in a little girl's hair or something. It's beautiful. Okay. I feel so nervous. Oh. Okay, crinkle, crinkle. Oh my gosh, it is. Oh my gosh, Joey. Oh my goodness. He sent me his Butterfly Emporium book. Oh, Joey. Sorry. Thank you, Joey. Okay, pull it together, Gail. Okay, I gotta figure out how to open this. Oh, there it is. There it is. If I was coordinated enough to do it, that goes through there, and then it's open. Oh, Joey, thank you. Oh, look at this. This certifies that the bear is enrolled as a collector of the Butterfly Emporium. Mrs. G. Augustinelli, Joey Cardmaker, keeper of the Emporium. Oh my gosh, let me just wipe my eyes for a second. I can't see. Okay. Okay. Oh, and look at all the fun little things. Some charms and the bookmark. And here's, oh gosh, I think I just heard, I don't know. We'll see. Mike's in there. We'll look through. Look at this gorgeous, all the curators and everything. Oh my goodness. This is so cool, Joey. So cool. Color palettes, warm. Oh my gosh, I watched the video, but this just, it's just more magnificent in real life, you guys. Oh, look at these butterflies. Oh. So we have petal blush, rose magenta, scarlet velvet, autumn ember, peach bloom, and then fresh, honey gold, buttercream, lemon leaf, spring green, meadow soft, oh my goodness, and then calm. That's what I need right now with this moving business. Forest deep, tide teal, oh that's so gorgeous, sky mist, ocean night, twilight blue, jewel, lavender veil, royal purple, oh that's it, oh, dusky plum, midnight plum, champagne topaz. Those are so gorgeous. And then this one is antique, umber deep, linen soft, shadow gray, tarnished metal, parchment, and then all the gorgeous bits and pieces and journal cards. And look at this. Certificate of Fellowship. Oh, Joey, you know, I watched his first video and then I thought, I better not watch this, because he did tell me that it was a new collection that was going to be my birthday. Look at August 9th, 2026. That's my birthday. It's just a treasure, Joey. It's so beautiful. Oh, I can't thank you enough. This is gonna sit on my shelf, and then I'll replenish the butterflies as I use them. Okay, we need to play with these butterflies straight up quick. Like, I wish I could do it in this video, but the electrician's coming, so I have to make it somewhat short. But oh, the colors of these, you guys, they're just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, so deep, so blue. Oh, it's amazing, Joey. Oh, second only to your friendship, my friend. I love Joey so much. I mean, it's a dream to go get to see him someday, but I don't know if that will ever happen. But our distant friendship is lovely as it is too. Wow. This is fantastic, Joy. Let's go to this one. Yeah, so, wow. Turning 70s, feeling pretty darn good right now, I'll tell you. So thank you so much, Joey. Please give David a big hug for me, and you a hug too. I just love you so much, my friend, and I'm overwhelmed, as you can tell. So thank you so much, Joey. Oh, have a grateful day, everyone. Be kind always, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.